Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Previous class, I was teaching truth the best options. Okay. Now only I have got one or two truth the best options remaining. I will teach today. Okay. Open your workbook, page number 29. Page number 29 in your workbook. Did you open? Sit properly on your videos. Yes. Already first and second one completed. What is the meaning of prodigy? Prodigy means a young person with extraordinary genius. Okay. And second one, compliment. What is the meaning of compliment? A polite expression of praise. Okay. So now third one. Okay. Right. What is third one? Turn down. Turn down. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of turn down? Option A, reject. Option B, accept. Option C, offer. And option D is close. So, what is the correct meaning of turn down? Option A, rejected. Who said answer? Nidma. Very good, ma. So, option A, rejected. So, when he showed his notebooks to in the offices, everyone rejected. Why? Because they could not understand his maths. That's why they rejected to give him job. So, option A is correct answer. Next, fourth one. Concern. So, what is the meaning of concern? Option A, worry. Option B, happy. Option C, pleasure. Pleasure. Option D is desire. So, what is the meaning of concern here? Option A, worry. Pritam, Rajshekhar, and come on first. Harini, Rizwan. Very good, mom. So, option A, worry. Okay. Next one. Withstand. What is the meaning of withstand? Option A, tolerate. Option B, thumb. Option C, stand. Option D, refuse. Okay. So what is the meaning of withstand? When he went to England, what happened? He was unable to bear that cold. So what happened? He was unable to stay there. That means tolerate. What is the meaning of withstand? Tolerate. Again, option A is the correct answer. Next one. Deficiency. Deficiency. So what is the meaning of deficiency? Option A, shortage. Shortage. Option B, excess. Option C is empty. Option D, few. What is the answer? Again, A is the correct answer. Okay, this one. Very good. So what is the meaning of deficiency? Shortage, excess, empty or few. That means shortage. Shortage is the correct answer. So option A is correct answer here. Shall I write the remaining? Hope you have written this. Completed one? Okay. Amazing. Next. Seventh one, confound. Confound. Confounded. What is the meaning of confound? Option A, decorated. Decorated. Option B, praised. Option C is awarded. Option D, honored. Honored. So what is the correct answer here according to like the conferred means? Already someone said answer. Rizwan Harini, Pagdala, Rajshekhar. Very good, ma'am. So what is the correct answer here? Conferred means decorated, praised, awarded, and honored. So awarded. Sorry. What is the awarded is the correct answer. Option C. Harsh. What is the meaning of harsh? Option A, delicate. Option B, heavy. Option C, smooth. Option D, rough. Rough and severe. Rough and severe. So what is the meaning of harsh here? Delicate, heavy, smooth, rough and severe. Very good. Option D is the correct answer. Rough and severe. That means you learn meanings. Very good, students. Intrigue. Intrigue. Okay. Option A, lack of curiosity. Lack of curiosity. Lack of curiosity. Option B, lack of ability. Lack of ability. Lack of ability. C, arouse the curiosity. Arouse the curiosity. Arouse the curiosity. And option D is excessive curiosity. Excessive curiosity. Excessive curiosity. Look at here. Intrigue means here lack of curiosity, lack of ability arouse the curiosity, excessive curiosity. What is the correct answer? Option C. So what is the option C? Arouse the curiosity. Very good. Option C is arouse the curiosity. Okay, right. And listen children, math class 30 students present. And English also we have presented 30 students. Hope Telugu class also everyone will present. 30 students will present. Okay, nobody should absent Telugu class. Okay, really we appreciate you all the students. You are continuing the classes and don't be absent to Telugu class. Really all the teachers are appreciating you. Just you continue the same spirit. Did you understand? Hope Telugu class also these 30 members will present. Nobody should absent. Okay. Daily you have to attend like this. Really very good students. 50 class students are attending very well. Okay. Telugu class also we will see that these 30 students should be attend compulsory. Okay. Very good students. Shall I read 78 bits? And also you are answering well all the questions. Really, we are very happy for you students. You are also listening carefully and attending very good, daily attending very well. And all the 3 classes you must attend. Don't be absent any one class, present one class absent. Don't do like that. Okay? Next one. Realize. So what is the meaning of realize? Repeat. Repeat. Option B. Become unaware. Become unaware. Option C. Unknown. Option D. Become aware. Become aware. So how many members please answer now? Very good. Very good. Very good students. So option D means become aware. Realize means become aware. To know. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. Write it. Very good. Write more, write fast. If you complete, shall we go to next bit? Without wasting time. Okay. Shall I write? What is the next bit now? Fill in the blanks. And blanks also you should fill with the words which you learn in the meanings. Okay? Those words only we have to fill here. Look at here, fill in the blanks. With number 2, same page. Page number 29 with number 2. What is that? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks in each sentence. Each sentence with a suitable word choosing the word from those given below. Okay. So here clues given. By using those clues, we have to fill the blanks. Okay. Now I'm not asking questions, so stop texting. When I ask the question, then only you should answer. Unnecessary message you don't think. Expended. Honor. Next, chord. Next flow is prodigy. Realized. Center. Engrossed. Mastery. Withstand. Withstand. Renowned. Renowned. Okay. These are the clues given. Now, first plant. Ramanujan was a Ramanujan was a child dash. Dash. We have to choose the correct answer from these clues, given clues. Okay. Extended, honor, score, prodigy, realized, center, engrossed, mastery, withstand, renowned. What is the correct answer? He is a child prodigy. Very good. He is a child prodigy. So lesson name also a child prodigy. Okay. Prodigy. He is a child prodigy. That means he has an extraordinary talent. Talented young person. Okay. Next, second one. Ramanujan. Ramanujan dash over mathematics was unmatched. Was unmatched. Unmatched. Okay. So what is the correct answer here? Ramanujan's dash over mathematics was unmatched. So what is the correct answer here? Mastery. Okay, very good. Mastery is one very good mark. So what is the correct answer here? Ramanujan's mastery over mathematics was unmatched. So where is the mastery here? Okay. MASTERY, mastery over mathematics was unmatched. Okay. That means he is a genius, extraordinary person in mathematics. Ramanujan appeared Ramanujan appeared for the matriculation examination and a dash a first class in mathematics. First class in mathematics. In mathematics. What is the correct answer? Ramanujan appeared for the matriculation examination and dash the first class in mathematics. So what is that? What is the answer, ma? Engrossed. So wrong spelling someone written Pratik. Spelling once, check it. Engrossed. ENGROSSED. Okay. Stop texting. Only answer send. Unnecessary don't send. Engrossed. What is the answer here? Engrossed. Engrossed. Okay. A first class in mathematics. Ramanujan appeared for the matriculation examination and engrossed a first class in mathematics. That means he achieved first class. Okay. Shall I write the previous first and second bits? Have you written my answers? Okay. Next, fourth one. What is the fourth blank? So the third one I did not read. Event in college. Event in college. Event in college. Actually, this is the fourth one, ma. This is fourth one. This is third one. He was dash in mathematics. Wait, I write it again. Dash in mathematics. So this is the third one. Even in college, he was engrossed in mathematics. Okay. Third one, engrossed. And next, fourth one, Ramanujan appeared for the matriculation examination and dash was first class. Scored. Scored first class. Okay, right. Okay, very good. Fourth one, scored. Have you written? If you write, I'll erase it. Make it fast, no? Only you have to write answers. Okay. Shall I write? Next, fifth one. In those days, in those days, England, England was considered the dash of mathematics. So I told you while explaining the lesson, what is that? England was the center of the mathematics. That means they did the research. Okay, so that's why that is called the center of mathematics. So answer is center. Center of mathematics. Next, sixth one. Ramanujan sent his theorems. Ramanujan sent his theorems. His theorem. Theorem and formulae. Formulae to dash mathematician Professor G.H. Hawley. G.H. Hardy. So G.H. Hardy means Godfrey H. Hardy. So Ramanujan sent his theorems and formulae to dash mathematics professor G.H. Hardy. So renowned. Renowned means famous person. What is the meaning of renowned? A famous, very famous person. Okay? Renowned. Very famous mathematician. Who is that? H. Hardy. Renowned. Renowned mathematician, Professor G.H. Hardy. Okay? Have you written, ma'am? Next, seventh one. Hardy dash brilliant. Brilliance of Ramanujan. Brilliance of Ramanujan. Hardy dash brilliance of Ramanujan. What he did? He realized his very good. He realized his brilliance. What is the answer here? Realized. Realized brilliance of Ramanujan. Okay. Eighth one. Ramanujan found it difficult to dash harsh cold. Harsh cold. So what is the answer here? Withstand. Very good. Not extended, ma. Withstand. Ramanujan found it difficult to withstand. Withstand harsh cold. Okay. Next, ninth one. Chennai University. Chennai University. Chennai University. Dash Ramanujan. Ramanujan scholarship. Scholarship from 2 years to 5 years. Okay. So Chennai University dash Ramanujan's scholarship from 2 years to 5 years. So extended. Very good. Extended. Okay. And only one more bit is there. I'll explain. Ramanujan was the second Indian to receive London Royal Society dash. What is the answer here? Honor. Ramanujan was the second Indian to receive London Royal Society honor. Okay, that is the answer for 10th class. I hope you understand today's class. Tomorrow I will explain next week. Until then, you learn these bits. Okay, thank you.